Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Acoustic Letter. Today, we're going to look at a very cool artist model from the folks at Gibson, the Sheryl Crow Southern Jumbo. Before we get on to this instrument, I would encourage you and will encourage you to sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Click the link below. You'll get information on all sorts of cool custom and one-of-a-kind guitars we get in here every day. On to the Gibson Sheryl Crow Southern Jumbo with the Amulet pickup system. This is a very, very well put together instrument from the folks at Gibson. This is modeled after Sheryl Crow's Southern Jumbo. It has a red spruce top, vintage style bridge with bone saddle and bone bridge pins. Beneath this top, under the hood of this instrument, we have advanced X-style 1930s style bracing, also done in red spruce, scalloped to make this thing super responsive. We have mahogany back and sides in typical Southern Jumbo fashion. Split parallelogram inlays on a rosewood fretboard, bound in ivory. The body's also bound in ivory. We have a vintage style Gibson headstock with the banner logo. We have open geared Ivoroid button Waverly tuners, which operate oh so smoothly. Little Gibson custom shop logo right there. That's pretty snazzy. And of course we have the Amulet pickup system done by Trance Audio, also found in the Jackson Browne model that we demoed a couple weeks back. This is a great player's guitar. This is a guitar that you can take on stage and sound as if you were in the studio. We're going to give this guitar a play so you can be the judge for yourself to see how the Sheryl Crow Southern Jumbo sounds. Thanks for checking out the Gibson Sheryl Crow Southern Jumbo. Great guitar by the great folks just 3 miles down the road from us. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please leave them below. And again, I will encourage you to sign up for the Acoustic Letter. You can get hip to all the cool guitars we get in here and watch videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.